Hey, Zuri FX here, doing a quick beginner-friendly glitter tattoo. Hopefully, stick around for the video. Hey! Okay, so you have to use alcohol, and it's good to use 91% or above, so you can use 99% as well. And I'm using a cotton ball, and I'm just going to clean the area where we're going to put the tattoo. So cleaning it off to take off any type of bacteria or dirt that's left on the skin. So my niece picked this flower to use, and I'm taking it off very carefully. Very carefully, and then I'm going to put it on the skin right here. So the flower is like a sticker. So the sticker will stick right to the skin. And since you clean the skin off, it will stick even more. So if you skip the alcohol step, then you might have some issues applying the glitter tattoo. So I'm using the glue that came with the kit, and everything here is new. I'm just opening it as I am doing this video. So I didn't know how the glue was going to be, but it seemed like the glue was okay. Now I'm putting the glue on to the tattoo, putting it on the skin, and I'm doing a very thin layer, and I'm not going to overdo the glue. So I'm carefully going around and applying the glue in a very thin layer as it dries. And when it dries, it will start to get tacky, and that's what the glitter sticks to, the tackiness. Okay, finish that here. So it's the first time I'm using the glue, so it did turn out okay. The only thing I didn't really like about this tattoo is that I used the wrong colors. I should have used darker colors for this one particular tattoo. So I'm going to let it dry, and she picked the colors, my niece. So I'm applying with the brush that came with the kit, and as I am applying, I'm scooping it out of the jar, and I'm laying it onto the skin as I'm patting it in. I do not want my brush to touch the glue, or I'll ruin my brush, obviously. So you kind of want to scoop it up and apply it. So I'm using the blue to apply onto the stems, but I'm not going to do all the stems because I wanted to use multiple colors, of which I should have used darker colors, like a black glitter or a dark green glitter or a red glitter, but I used light blue and silver. But next time I do a glitter tattoo, I know what to do. So I'm just finishing up, and I'm just flicking the brush to get the excess flick glitter off, and finishing up. So with the other brush that came with the kit, I am going to pat it into the skin, and then I'm going to swipe it away. Swipe away the excess glitter. And now I'm going to peel it off. I'm going to peel it off very slowly and very controlled as much as possible. And here is the glitter tattoo, and it is nice and done, all finished. And I'm swiping away the excess glitter that is around the forearm. And like I said, it should have been a little bit darker, but you get the gist. And it did stay on for 2 days, so the glue was all right. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Again, I'm Zuri FX, and I'll see you guys soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.